This workout is from a 4-part series on how to vary your training by intensity, distance, strokes, and equipment. This particular workout is 2,000 yards, takes about 36 minutes to complete, and all the data was recorded when I swam it with an Apple Watch Series 4. The reason why we're varying by distance is to alternate shorter repetitions, like 50s, and longer distances, like a 400. The workout starts with 850s freestyle on the 50, followed by a 200 kick. We go right into the main set of going with a long 400 freestyle pull, followed by 850s on a threshold interval, and then 4 100s pull, long in endurance. On the 400, it was on 6 minute. I split a 424, averaging about 10 to 12 strokes per length. The 850s were on the 40, short rest, threshold, and it looks like I was averaging about 33, 32 seconds on each of the different repetitions, averaging about 12 strokes per lap, 16 seconds per 25, for a SWALF score of about 32. And finally, the 4 100s on the 130, averaging about 104, 103, dropping a minute on the final 25, on the final 100, for example. And it looks like heart rate on each repetition peaking out around 157. The cool down was 450s freestyle on the 50, where I average about 33 seconds. The benefit of doing a workout where you vary by distance is to build rhythm on the longer repetitions, but also hold high stroke integrity on the shorter distances. When you're doing a 50, it's a lot easier to maintain your technique and your distance per stroke. Even on the 400, it can challenge by not being able to stop and causes you to do a lot more work to maintain your technique over time. This workout is 2,000 yards, part of a 4-part series on how you can vary by distance, intensity, technique, and equipment. If you want more workouts like this, check out the rest of the series and the MySwimPro app. Happy swimming!